Hey guys, this is Manish. You are watching Technspice. When I wanted to buy a backpack, I was considering many things before buying it. I wanted more space and more compartments, a USB charging port, as well as I have a 17-inch laptop. It should fit in. Also should be good for 1 or 2 days travel with my minimum gadgets. So I started to look for it in the market. After looking in the market for a long time, I was not satisfied. Sometimes there was not good quality material, sometimes the price was not worth for it. Finally, I started to check it online. Then I found this backpack. This is the Arctic Hunter 35 liter men's backpack. This has an expandable storage up to 35 liters. Let me show you a small unboxing as well as my views about this bag. So let's check out the video. Meanwhile, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also press the bell icon for future upload notifications. Now let's move to the video.
This is how the bag comes in a nice plastic cover. At the top we get a branding logo, bottom it's written "Let's travel light," and below that there is a precautionary message to keep it away from the children and babies as it's a plastic. Let's open the plastic and take out the bag. I have purchased this bag in the month of October 2019 from AliExpress. I will put down the purchase link in the description. Now let me show you the bag. At first, in the front we can see the Arctic Hunter logo. The zip runners are made of a good quality aluminium. This is the best part. It not only has the USB port but also a 3.5mm headphone jack. I'll let you know in some time about its charging speed and the sound quality. Above the ports there is a name tag. Do fill it. It will be helpful if you misplace the bag. It has totally 2 small zippers compartment and 3 main zipper compartment, which is front pocket, main bag and the computer compartment. Basically the size of this bag is 43 cm high, 30 cm width and 15 cm length. In the front there is 2 zips. First one is a bit smaller and the second one is deep, almost my arm length. Let's open the first main compartment. Once we open this zip, we will notice the extended wires of USB and headphone jacks. Here is the RFID pocket where you can keep RFID enabled cards. Here you can keep the pens and there the mobiles. There is a safety number lock provided inside the bag. It's quite good. There is quite a good space where you can put some books or some diaries. If you see deep here, there is a small zip where the wires are joined with the ports. Please note these are molded so we can't remove the wires. This is a nice space to keep pens and smartphone, or you can keep the power bank as well. This is the second main zipper. The zip can be opened 180 degrees. Inside there is a toiletry kit which is made of a nice silicone material with 2 pockets and 1 deep zipper compartment. Inside there is another zipper to keep clothes, shoes, etc., which is mesh protected. Let's move to the main zipper, the computer compartment. Here we get 1 pocket where we can keep tabs or iPads, and here is the laptop space. Don't forget it accommodates up to 17-inch laptops. The interior is well padded for safety and the interior is made of a neri small bubble cotton material. This stereoscopic small bubble cotton protects your computer. This is the expandable zip by which the 19-liter bag is expanded up to 35 liter. The company says it can take up to 4 to 5 days traveling stuffs. As per the company, when it's not expanded, it holds up to 19 liters, and when it is expanded, it holds up to 35 liters. At the back, We get nice shoulder straps. There are the sunglass holders. And a secret pocket where we can keep the cards or money for an emergency. Let me show you the actual capacity by filling my stuffs. I'll keep my laptop wires, my X-Mate Zorro mouse, power bank, and connect it. I'll put my mobile as well. This is my 17-inch Asus laptop and the Samsung Tab. These clips are used to keep the bag in shape. Here is the holder by which you can carry it as a handbag. You can hide the shoulder straps and easily use it with the trolley case. This is how you can do that. Just unclip this and hide it in this hidden compartment. This is the stereoscopic Hive back pad. It's comfortable, breathable, and strong elastic material. The company says it's earthquake resistant and burden reducing design. After filling that many stuffs, you can see it's very comfortable to hold and carry. And finally, how the port works. Okay, the USB charging is not a fast charger but works well. I wish if they have given a hole instead so that we can directly connect our mobile cables to the power bank. By that, we have fast chargers accessibility. The audio quality. The audio quality is good and there is no drop in quality. You can enjoy the same quality of sound when you connect the headphones directly to the phone. So the price. It cost $35 which is roughly 2,500 rupees and 13 Bahraini dinars. It's really a competitive price considering the space and features it provides. Overall, this is the best travel bag in my view. I should say it's a tech travel bag because it holds almost all of my gadgets as well as my clothes and my laptop as well. With having so much of space and organized compartments, USB port, comfortable to carry, it can carry up to 17-inch of laptop, water resistant, multi-way we can carry, and much more for a very decent and competitive price. What do you think of this product? Is it really worth the price? Please put down your comments below. That's it from me today. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to the channel and follow us in our social media accounts. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, this is Manish signing off.